So if you're 40 plus and you're wondering to yourself, how am I going to get back into the gym? I'm really not fit enough. Or you have a few little niggles in your body, well, give me a minute and I'll help you. If you're like me and you've got a bit of a dodgy back, yes, I had a couple of accidents. One where I slipped over and one where I was taken out in a car. Well, you know, your back sometimes gets hurt, but there are 2 exercises which are absolutely fantastic for helping you engage your core, to strengthen your core, which is what you need to do to protect the lower back. First one, of course, would be toe taps, which I'm going to show you right now. So there's a lot of things that people do wrong when they do toe taps, okay? First of all, you need to make sure that you are not doing this with your leg, okay? The leg is locked off. Everything moves from the hip so that you're working into the lower core. There's 2 positions you can start it from. If you're only just starting out in your exercise regime, keep the feet on the ground. Flatten the shoulder blades onto the floor, pull your shoulders away from your ears, then come up onto your toes, press the spine into the mat, and as you exhale, you bring your leg up. Notice, 90-degree angle. This is called tabletop. From here, you inhale, toe tap down, move it from the hip. Exhale, press it up, inhale away, exhale up, inhale away, and then you do the other leg. If your core is a little bit stronger, and you can keep your spine imprinted in your mat, which means pull that belly button right down so it's flattened all the way, take both your legs into tabletop, and then you do one leg. Inhale away, exhale up. Inhale away, exhale up. Making sure this is pressed down, there's no space underneath here, and that you're moving just from the hip the whole time. Do this every single day of your life. I promise you, you will find that you get a lot of relief in your lower back. No joking. Thank you for giving me a minute, and if you liked it, well, please do hit like and subscribe, and don't feel shy. Comment, let us know what you'd like to see, how we can help you, and don't forget that soon, if you do like it enough, I'll be asking you to give me 15 minutes. We'll see you there.